alert.
Yep.
We're all gonna die.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County, southeastern Ripley County, southwestern Dearborn County, Switzerland County, central Boone County, central Gallatin County, until 11:45 a.m. At 11:07 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of Versailles, moving east at 40 miles
Is that
an
us
hour.
or is that?
That's
Hazard,
We
60
are
miles an hour wind gusts.
right there.
Source, radar
Ooh,
indicated.
that's just to our west.
Right.
Impact.
That-
Wow.
Expect
that
damage to
reflected
trees
in
and power
the
lines.
velocity.
Yeah.
Locations
You like
impacted
weather
include
Oh, yeah.
Rising
We're
Sun,
gonna get along
Warsaw, Florence,
One of those
Pleasant,
storm
Glencoe, Fairview,
Yeah.
Patriot, Center Square, Aberdeen,
Yeah, storm
Interstate
chasers.
71 at US Route
Skyward spotters.
127, Waterloo, Steel Bottom, Markland.
Is everybody getting out or what?
Moorfield, Farmers Retreat, Friendship, Rabbit Hash,
Alright.
Kirkus Grove, and Mount Sterling. This includes I-71 in Kentucky
Okay.
between mile marker 62 and 63. Here is a special. The following county, Switzerland, Indiana, and the following counties in Kentucky: Carroll, Gallatin, and Owen. Strong thunderstorms will.
I'm gonna need some help from AJ to get what station this is, but
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Shelby County and central Kentucky, northwestern Woodford County and central Kentucky, southwestern Scott County and central Kentucky, Franklin County and central Kentucky, until 11:45 a.m. At 11:12 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Shelbyville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frankfurt. Here is a spec.
take you with me.
Southeastern Owen County for noon. At 11:28 a.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of Owenton, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 45 miles an hour, half-inch hail, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, and very heavy rain. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down trees and blow around unsecured objects. Hail may cause minor damage to lightning can be 470s. Wednesday, hydroplaning is possible. Impacted include Monterey, Beechwood, Jet, and Harmony. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a sturdy building.
Whoa!
Motorists should
Look at that sky.
extra caution. If thunderbourns, go indoors. Do not stay in the open or seek shelter under trees when lightning threatens.
We're going right in.
A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 3 p.m.
Holy crap.
To report hazardous weather conditions, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN.
Is that a wall cloud?
Or via social media, when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Gallatin, Grant, Harrison, Owen, Pendleton, and Scott. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
Not sure if it's picking up in the video. That's a bad idea.
Television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
It's pretty dark out.
A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until noon for the following counties.
Look at that
in
movement.
Kentucky: Henry and Shelby. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11:45 a.m. for northeastern Shelby, northwestern Woodford, southwestern Scott and Franklin counties. At 11:22 a.m., a severe... The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Woodford County in central Kentucky, Scott County in central Kentucky, northeastern Anderson County in central Kentucky, northern Jessamine County in central Kentucky, western Bourbon County in central Kentucky, Fayette County in central Kentucky, southwestern Harrison County in central Kentucky, eastern Franklin County in central Kentucky until 12:15 p.m. At 11:37 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles northwest of Georgetown to 7 miles east of Frankfort to near Lawrenceburg, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lexington and Georgetown around 11:55 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Highlands, Nicholasville, Dunbar High School, Bryan Station, Thoroughbred Acres, Fayette Mall, UK Arboretum, Cardinal Hill, Mead Arthur, Paris, Santana, Veterans Park, Chevy Chase, Cadentown, and Northland. Here is a... For the... At 11:28 a.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of Owenton. 11:28 a.m., a strong thunderstorm was located. Commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 12:50 p.m. for Woodford, Scott, East Central Anderson, northeastern Jessamine, western Bourbon, Fayette, and southwestern Harrison counties. At 11:53 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles west of Cynthiana to near Georgetown to near Versailles, moving east at... The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clark County in central Kentucky, northeastern Jessamine County in central Kentucky, Bourbon County in central Kentucky, Nicholas County in central Kentucky, Fayette County in central Kentucky, central Harrison County in central Kentucky until 12:45 p.m. At 11:59 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Owenton to 6 miles northwest of Georgetown to near Lawrenceburg, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail are indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Veterans Park, Fayette Mall, UK Arboretum, Chevy Chase, Northland, Paris, Santana, Cadentown, Winchester, and Carlisle. Here is a special weather statement. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Mason County, Robertson County, Bracken County, southeastern Pendleton County until 1 p.m. At 12:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Brooksville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Maysville, Washington, Ripley, Brooksville, Mount Olivet, Germantown, Sardis, Browning Corner, Murphysville, Stonewall, Mayslick, Powersville, Peed, Johnsville, Chatham, Tuckahoe, Heapsville, Minerva, U.S. Route 62 and State Route 875 and Abigail. A